So I bought a friend's watch collection. Well, part of it. Somebody I've worked with for a while. And he wanted to, lighten up and free things up for other things. And so I bought some of his watches. I've already looked at them. I normally like to, experience it with you, but that's what we get. Let's start with number one. It's crazy. I didn't even know these diamond chronograph models existed until the last, recently few months. Now I have two variants of it. This is a 7015 8000. December 72. JDM. Gosh, it's in perfect shape. Look at the lumen. Perfect. The orange is a little faded, but man, that had a handset. Wow. Original button seals are stuck in because the gaskets are all wonky. Normally these cases are destroyed. Somebody wore this, but they didn't abuse it. I bet it'll clean up pretty nice. It's a nice bracelet too. Look, these center links, those are separate pieces of metal. It's not stamped. Sebastian won't turn down his iPad. Brent, whoever Brent was, he wore this watch and he took care of it. It's got a fair amount of wear on the outside, but boy, dial and hands. Really nice. Really nice. I'm a big fan. My biggest issue with any of these is that they're almost always just massively beaten to death. You almost never see really good examples of these tiny watches. That's a nice one. I'll restore that. Well, of course I will. I don't know when, but I will.